In this video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0x80004005 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you'll find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So click the Run button corresponding to Windows Update to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations on fixing the issue. So after running the Windows Update Troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Then go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click Yes. Then copy the command which will be posted in the description box below, which is the SFC scan first. Control V. Hit Enter. That will begin the system scan, so wait for the process to be 100% completed. After it is completed, copy the second command which will also be posted in the description box. So again, once the SFC scan has been completed, then copy the second command and then just simply paste it in the command prompt window. Wait for the process to be done, and once the commands has been or have been successfully completed, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.